Welcome. Today we are continuing with business studies, paper 2, questions and answers. Question 6a, explain 4 unethical practices in product promotion. 1. Give false information about a product, misleading consumers. Or rather, you can just say making wrong claims about their products. 2. Not disclosing side effects of a product, that is so as to increase sales, overpricing of goods, cheating on ingredients of goods, advertising with negative effects on the environment, that is by littering or making excessive noise, promoting genuine products but sell counterfeits. 7. Portraying rival business negatively in attempt to capture the market. 8. Exploiting vulnerable groups such as children since they lack knowledge. Question 6b. The following trial balance relates to the business of Omassager traders for the period ended 31st March, year 2023. Omassager traders trial balance is at 31st March 2023. General expenses 120 Kenya shillings, rent expenses 46,000 shillings, telephone expenses 20,000 shillings, carriage inwards 28,000, salaries 360,000, sales 4 million, purchases 2.4 million, discount received 36,000 shillings, sales returns 40,000, motor vehicle 500,000, debtors 300,000, stock on 1st April year 2022 200,000 shillings, land and buildings 2 million, cash at bank 120,000, cash in hand 12,000, capital was 1.85 million, drawings 80,000, and creditors is additional information is stock as at 31st March year 2023 was valued at 100,000 Kenya shillings. So prepare trading profit and loss and a balance sheet. So this is how you're preparing Omassager traders trading profit and loss account. You indicate therefore the period ended 31st March year 2019. This is how you prepare Omassager traders balance sheet as at 31st March. Thanks a lot for subscribing and listening to me. God bless you.